everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's just Clarice, and today I am going to be showing you how I achieved this green gold eye look. Without any further ado, let's just dive on into today's video. As you can see, my eyebrows are already done. So the very first thing that we're going to do is prime our eyelids, and I prime using a concealer, specifically the Maybelline BetterSkin Superstay Concealer and Corrector in the shade Light. I just do a couple of dabs onto each eyeball, and then I blend out using my finger, and I take it all over the lid and even up into the brow bone. The two eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using for today's makeup look both come from Makeup Revolution. The first one is one that I already owned, and you've seen on my channel before most likely. It is the Makeup Revolution Reloaded Division palette, which has lots of really nice matte shades and then a couple of shimmers. I am mostly going to be using the matte shades in this palette today. And the other palette that I'm going to be using today is a brand new one to my collection that was given to me as a gift by my friend Mimi. Thank you so much, Mimi. I'm really excited to play with this today. This is the Makeup Revolution 24 Karat Gold Chocolate Eyeshadow Palette. It has all these beautiful shades, predominantly a lot of beautiful shimmer shades. So off camera just now, I really quickly set down the concealer using this tan peachy shade here, and I really just made sure that I focused it on my lid as well as in the crease without going all the way up to the brow bone, as I want to keep that area nice and bright. Next, we're going to go in and we're going to start building up our crease colors. So the very first shade that I'm going to take is this camo green matte shade right here at the top of the palette. So I'm just taking a fluffy crease brush and I'm taking it all the way through my crease and just blending with small circular motions. And I'm just kind of flicking it out at the tail end. Not too much, I'm not making it super dramatic. Just flicking it out a little bit because we're going to create a little bit of a cat eye. Next, I'm going to take this gray shade down here and I'm going to pop that into my inner crease just to create a little bit more contrast, and I'm taking that on a smaller pointed blending brush. Now I'm going to start building up my outer corner, and so I'm going to take this nice deep green shade and I'm going to take that on a curved packing brush like this, and the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to place the color down so I can start building it up, and then I'm going to gently blend it out using a blending brush. Now we're going to move over to this palette over here, and we're going to start with the green shimmer shade that you can see right there. We're going to pack that all over the outer lid, stopping right about here. And to see if I can just get a little more pop from this green shadow, I'm going to dip into it, and this time I'm going to wet the brush and see what happens. There we go. They just become a little bit more metallic and a little bit more reflective. So now I'm going to dip into this golden shade right here, and I'm going to take that from the inner corner and start moving outwards. And now I'm just rebuilding up the green color in the outer corners, just to make sure it doesn't get lost in all that gold. And I'm going to finish off by using this black shade, and I'm going to take that into the outer corner and smoke it out a little bit. Looks a little messy, but don't worry, we're going to fix it. For my brow bone, I'm just going to take this bright white matte shade. I'm going to take that on a fluffy pointed pencil brush. And I'm going to take a black felt tip liner, shake it up real good. This is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Boosting Eyeliner and Serum in the shade Ultra Black. So I'm quickly going to go finish up the rest of my face, and then I'll be right back to finish up the eye look. Okay, the rest of my face is now done, so it is time to finish up this eye look. Basically, we're just going to take those same crease colors and we're going to run them under our lid. And then we're going to take that dark green and run it closer to the outer corner. And then we're going to finish off with an inner corner highlight. Starting with that camo green shade, I'm going to mix that in with the gray. Now I'm going to take this flat liner brush and I'm going to take that gold shade. I'm going to run it along my lower lash line. And then to highlight my inner corner, I'm going to take this bright white shade right here. It's almost got a little bit of a metallic reflect to it. Now we grab our eyelash curler and our mascara. Today I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara just to finish off the look. So there you go, there is the final look. I actually think it turned out pretty well. I just finished it off with a nude lipstick. I just felt like that would complement the green best. A red or a pink might have clashed with it a little too much. For face products today, I did all of that off camera, but I will list everything that I used in the description box below if you're interested. I just really wanted to focus on the eyes today since that was the main part of this tutorial. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know if there are any other tutorials you would like to see me do in the comments down below. If you want to see more stuff from me, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post brand new videos every single Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you guys in my next one.